Since posting my first video on Render, its price has surged more than fourfold from $2.30. Despite this substantial gain, my optimism persists, as I believe Render could soar even higher following the Bitcoin halving. Back in November 2023, when I uploaded my initial video, Render held the 53rd spot among cryptocurrencies based on its market cap. It has since climbed to the 31st position, hitting a new all-time high price of $13.06. I'm convinced that Render's upward momentum is far from over. A glance at Render's charts reveals that its price remains comfortably above its 200-day moving average across 4-hour, daily, and weekly intervals. Furthermore, its monthly charts have consistently displayed green candles since September 2023. I anticipate that Render will continue its upward trajectory in the months ahead, especially after the halving, when a market-wide rally is anticipated and FOMO, fear of missing out, is likely to kick in. One compelling factor driving Render's potential for further growth is its narrative as an AI crypto. While the Render token isn't exclusively an AI token, it serves as critical infrastructure for supporting AI ecosystems. Beyond its classification as an AI token, I firmly believe that Render's primary utility as a decentralized platform for outsourcing GPU needs will propel it into the top 20 crypto projects during this cycle. In this video, I've made some adjustments to my price targets for Render. The recent performance of Render has exceeded my expectations. Despite reaching a new all-time high, I believe there's still potential for further growth in the coming months. Previously, when I set a price target of $19, I assumed Render would remain at the 53rd spot. However, it surpassed my expectations by rallying to the 31st spot before the halving. I'll reassess and update my price targets for Render for this cycle. To guide my analysis, I've compiled the historical peak market caps of the top 100 cryptocurrencies from January 2018 to November 2021. Using this data, I've calculated the average growth rate, which serves as the basis for my growth multiplier for this cycle. The average market cap growth of the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the previous cycle was 3.73x. While this provides a baseline for our price prediction, I'll be conservative and discount this multiplier. The crypto market's growth has diminished in each cycle, so I prefer to take a cautious approach when setting my price targets. To establish my price targets for Render, I applied a 60% discount rate to the growth rate of the market cap from 2021. Then, I divided the projected market cap by the circulating supply to arrive at a price target. In my previous video, if Render had remained at the 53rd position, I would have expected the market cap of the 53rd crypto to reach $7.3 billion. This would set the price target for Render at $19 based on its current circulating supply of 381 million. If Render were to maintain its current rank of 31, its projected peak market cap for this cycle would be $16.6 billion, resulting in a price target of $43 for Render. This represents a 4x increase from its current price. If Render were to reach the 20th spot, its peak market cap would be $25.9 billion, bringing Render's price to $68, which is almost a 7x increase from its current price. Personally, I will use the $43 price target to minimize buying at the peak. Since this will be my peak price target for Render, I will secure profits before Render reaches this price. I will probably dollar cost average out of my position once the price reaches $19 or set a trailing stop loss when the price reaches $19. So you're probably wondering whether or not Render is a good buy right now. I still believe Render is a good project to invest in. I think it has the potential to grow in the long run. Even though I am bullish on Render, I still consider it a volatile asset. While there is the possibility it could rally and increase by 7x from its current price, we should always consider what happens after the bull run. Once the rally runs out of steam and switches to a bear market, we could see several great projects lose more than 90% of their value within a couple of months. This is why I always encourage people to secure profits, especially when the market becomes overheated. So, will I be adding more Render to my current position? I will be buying a bit more Render in the next couple of days using the cash I set aside in case the market makes a correction before the Bitcoin halving. I think it is less likely to happen since the halving is just a few days away. Even though I bought most of my Render tokens at an average price of $3, I think buying a few more at the current price could still offer me good returns in the next couple of months. That's it for now. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to see more videos about Render, Please show your support and hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.